Pollen's Vanity Crib, and yung nakita nyo naman sa intro, this will be what's in my bag video. So I'll be showing you my work bag today, and yeah, let's get started! So first off, using my phone right now to film this video. Wala lang, gusto ko lang siya i-try, and I heard na maganda rin naman siya nagamitan for video, so I wanted to try. Naisip ko lang siya while driving a while ago to make what's in my bag video, so that it will be just randomly, hindi siya pinagplanuhan kung ano yung nakalagay inside my bag. So what you're gonna see is yun lang talaga yung laman ng bag ko as it is. Yeah. So first off, I'll be showing you my phone case kasi ibang phone case ang gamit ko because it was mounted here in my dashboard. So here's my phone case. It's an iPhone 7 Plus, and my phone case is like an LV denier, but in ruins. So hindi ko siya binili sa LV store. So yeah, this like for 350 pesos, but it's look nice. Yeah, diba? So that's it. So that's the first thing you gonna see, and most of the time na kinukuha ko lagi sa bag ko. So anyway, so my bag is, hindi ko pa pala napakita yung bag ko, guys. So my work bag is most of the time is an LV Speedy 25, an LV bandolier. Yeah, so it has a strap like this. So most of my bags has straps na parang body straps siya like that. Yan, sling bags. Kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng any bag. Just like sling bag. Most of my bags, sling bag siya. Pero ito yung madalas kong gamitin sa work. Very spacious, roomy. So that's it. Actually, wala naman ako daming nilalagay sa bag ko. Just the necessary. Yun lang naman yung laman ng bag ko ngayon. So, I hope na hindi kayo mabore. So, next thing is my one Victrix iPhone charger. So, this i-slide mo lang yung phone mo dito, magcha-charge na siya. So, gusto kong pahirapan yung sarili ko na tinatanggal yung case, then we put it here so that it will charge. Yan. So, 2 charge ang nagagawa ng one charger na ito. Yeah, so this is 10,000 milliampere. I like it. It's rose gold. Tatar na ng phone ko. And then next up is I have a wireless earphone here. Nakaganyan siya, guys, para hindi siya malaglag pag kinukuha ako. So most of the time nalalaglag siya kasi hindi pa ako nakakabili ng lalagyanan niya. Yan, wala ako makita. Gusto ko lang just fit in. This is a Air Crazy Baby. Yeah, Air Crazy Baby ang tawag sa kanya. And this is wireless like this. You have to take it off and put it in your ear so that hindi siya hassle. Pero i-charge mo lang siya. Pero this, yung lalagyanan niya is like a what do you call this? A power bank of its own. So, gusto ko wireless kasi 'di ba yung iPhone na bago, ibili ka pa ng adapter just to use the earphone and together with the charger. So, ayoko ng hassle, guys. So, I just use it like this. Yeah. So, next is, yeah, I have a pouch from Kate Spade. Yeah, siguro pinaglagyan to ng small watch ko or yung bigay ni Kay na car key. So, yun. So, what's inside is, actually, it's a hairbrush. Yeah. So, this is my compact hairbrush from Wet Brush. I bought it in Watson for 500 pesos. Yeah, it's pricey, yes. Pero it's worth it, guys. So, when you open up, it has a mirror here so that you'll check every time kapag kailangan ka ng mirror. So, kunin mo na lang to, and then kapag need mo mag-brush, you just push this like this, and mag-brush ka na, guys. Yan lang. So, very compact, very convenient, and very small. Siksik mo siya kung gaano man kaliit yung bag mo, pero not too tiny bags. Yeah. So, just push it like this and close it. So, kaya siya nasa pouch kasi because it's really parang delicate, diba? So, parang hindi magasgas. And it's rose gold again. My favorite color ko ay rose gold, guys, as you can see. Okay, so next is, yeah, let's have my kikay kit. Or I don't bring most of the time a kikay kit kasi mostly my bags are really small, guys. Soon, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga everyday bags or yung bag na ginagamit ko most of the time na wala yung kikay kit ko. But, so since na nasa work ako, so I'll be spending 8 hours inside my office. So, there's no way para bumaba ako to retouch. Yeah. So, what's inside my kikay kit? So, this is a Marc Jacobs small pouch. It's really small, guys, like this. So, this is what's inside. Tignan natin isa-isa. So, I have here a moringa Moringa hand cream from Body Shop. This was gifted to me by a friend. This is sobrang bango nito, guys. So, pag gusto mo ng medyo mabango ang hands, yan, pag holding hands ka, use that. And then, I have here a Colourpop Ultra Gloss Lip. Ito yung ginamit ko to top it with my lipstick. Yan. But I have a matte lipstick here. It's from MAC. It's Too Matte with Love. It's a retro matte liquid lip color. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon, guys. And then next up, I have a lip balm here. An EOS lip balm. Lagi ko tong dala. It's a lip balm. Yan. Para hindi ma-dry yung lips ko because I'm using a matte lipstick. And then I have a Roto. Ito yung sinabi ko in my past vlog na when you need kung naka-experience kayo ng dry eye syndrome, use a Roto because it's refreshing. Then I have my MAC Studio Fix. Yeah. So, I have it in NC30. Actually, medyo dark na siya sa akin. Pero, pwede pa naman siya for retouch like that. Actually, medyo matagal na din siya sa akin. Yan. So, mga 1 year. So, isang year na lang siya, guys. Magre-retire na siya kasi usually makeups or powders or foundations like yung lifespan nila is 2 years. Then, I have, actually, it's a SanDisk. Yeah. Ilang gig nga ba? 16 gig lang pala siya. Then, I have a wipes from Kotex. Yan, ito yung mga flushable. Flushable talaga. Yan, 1 flash only na wipes. So, alam niyo na kung saan ito ginagamit. So, I don't need to explain. Then, I have a Refresh Plus Lubricant Eye Drops. Bigay ito ni Kay before she left. Going to the States. One-time use daw siya. Yan, so, binigyan niya ako to try it. Pero di mo na makakabili. So, I just keep it there. I have a small cord for my iPhone charger pag kailangan ko mag-charge at manghihiram na lang ako. What do you call that? Yeah, yon. Basta alam nyo na yan. So, that's it. And lastly, I have a Caswell Make Absorbs Oil Matte Blotting Paper. This is really nice. I bought it in Beauty Bar. Yan, white siya pero parang may powdery effect siya when you wipe your excess oil sa face. That's it. Then next, let's move on to my wallets. Yeah, I have 2 wallets. So, first off, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung YSL envelope wallet ko. Mostly, inside is my just cards, like in there, yeah. So, I have a Goyard card holder here. So, mostly nandyan lang yung mga rewards cards, Advantage, Laybear, Mercury, Happy Plus, and some IDs and some like calling cards. Ayan. So, next is what's inside pa ba? My, license. License ID. Yan. So, some Starbucks card. Like this. Yan. Mahilig ako mag-collect ng Starbucks card. Ewan ko kung bakit. I have coffee bean also in SNR. Yun lang naman yung laman. Basta rewards card are in here. I don't usually use big long wallet because for me it's bulky dahil nga yung most of my bags are small. So, fit naman yung dalawang wallet na maliit there sa mga bags ko. Pero pag sobrang laki na, parang hindi na siya kasya. So, wala nang room sa mga small bags ko to put other things, especially my phone. Like that. So, this is my main wallet. Actually, the cash is in here. This is my LV Pont New. Medyo matagal na to sa akin. That's why I really love it kasi super swerte niya for me. Yan. So, it's like this. The credit cards are here. The ATM cards are here. Yeah, and some cash. Yan. And then, meron ako mga pampaswerte. I have the Divina booklet here. Yan. So, nilalagay ko lang din siya dito. Kasi nga, I believe na swerte siya. Kaya nandun lang yung mga pampaswerte. And inside here, I don't usually put coins here kasi masisira siya, guys. Being bulky. So, I have the Saint Benedict drunk to bless me on my travels and some Chinese pampaswerte. Yan. Ibigay ito ng mga friends ko sa akin. And that's why siguro sweating wallet because of that. So, that's it. So, I really love compact wallets, small wallets. Yan. They will not give me headaches, guys. Next up is I have a Samsung Tab 4 here. This is usually for my work purposes. I read emails here. I read messages here. And lastly but not the least, I have this brown wallet. And actually, ang laman lang nito is my checkbook. So I have the checkbook here. And lastly, I have a coin purse. So actually, hindi ako nagdadala ng coin purse kasi mabigat siya because of the coins. So I just leave it here inside the car para pang bigay-bigay kila Manong like that. So I have just a Kislock LV coin purse. So coins lang talaga naman yan. So that's it. So nothing inside, yeah. So here lang, may pocket siya dito. So ang laman lang niya isang care cards and yung key lang dito sa padlock ng bag. So that's it. So there you go, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give me some loving by liking this video. And syempre, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment down below sa mga gusto nyo pang makita moving forward. So that's it, guys. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye!